currently in Muji. There's like house stuff, which I do need to buy some containers and stuff. I'm gonna look around. I still haven't. Oh, there's drinks here. Kind of thirsty, but I'm gonna go look for the stationery aisle as well. I don't see it. Oh, it's right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, definitely gonna buy some stuff. Pens, I'm for sure gonna get some. How much are these? It's $6. Wait, $5 for 6. Wow, okay. 0.5, I love these. I'm gonna get one for sure. These are the pushy ones. Actually, I might get the pushy ones instead. Black. Here. Yeah, so these are the ones that are just so popular from years ago. I mean, I'm sure they still are now. It's just in our local, like, in our cities, like, store, Muji, like, they closed. So, yeah. Containers and stuff over there. What is this? Tray? I'm not sure what this is for. Binders. Christmas tree. Do need a phone case. I'm gonna buy a phone case actually. These cute little scissors. We got, what else we got? We got staplers. Wait, why is it made in China? I thought this was made in Japan. Okay. Rulers. Is this also made in China? Doesn't say. But I'm getting too distracted in the stationery section and go buy the containers for the house. Wait, guys, the acrylic stuff. Oh my gosh, this just brought back so many memories. Wow. This is for jewelry. Oh my gosh, this just definitely brought back so many memories from high school. I still have one of the containers. Oh, it's this one that I have. I know a lot of y'all have this too, huh? But oh my gosh, yeah. Wow. Okay, time to go actually look for what I need, which is like the laundry stuff. Should be over here. Self-checkout. Oh, that's really cool. Pen. iPhone case. I don't even know the color of this, but the lady told me to open this to try it on my phone, so it's already on my phone, but yeah.
这是材料。
嗯。
那一般可以，如果下订单呢，会要多久才有产品？
如果定做的话，
你拍
25
天，我来换
谢谢。
多一点，我一个月的。
OK， 发太多了。
这都看，他看了他都有编号，到时候你就看了换那个编号。对他没，这个是163。
这粉色。这个。
240。
这个也行。
它那个毛毛，刚才你拿那个就是这种毛毛，毛感觉不一样。
这个毛长一点，
这毛稍微短一点，
短一点，
这个比这个
还有比这个更短的，也有的。
更短的，比这个还要短的毛毛吗？
对，就是。
你要不，它不是有写啊？你在网吧那。
So pretty. My mom got a flower bouquet from the mall. Flowers here are much more affordable than back at home. So yeah, these are so beautiful. Just finished my class. We are on the 5th floor. It's really nice and clean in here, which is really, really nice. At some fair, not that much people. So cute. Look at the alpacas in the back. Llamas. It's so cozy here. It's definitely really cold though. I mean, the vibes are cozy, but it's really cold. So cute. Christmas tree. We just ate at this restaurant and they gave us stickers with our meal at the end. Really interesting. These are so cute. We're gonna take a walk over there now. This is such a cute store. Mellow Mela. That's cute. Go check out what's inside. So cute. Look at these puffy stickers. Got like keychains. I think this is. This is. Oh yeah.
8块钱。
没
58，我以8块钱更便宜。
地毯 I like. So cute. This is like a little like room, I guess. So cute. I'm ordering. like a playhouse type thing. And then there's like a store over there. I'm leaving now to get my drink. I really want to create a rug like this. It's so soft. It's on sale for $129.谢谢。耶。